let's continue. Just now we have the situations when we have the error, then it looks like a bug, yeah, but actually it is an error that very common you may experience, yeah, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Yeah? Okay, this was the code that I ran just now, yeah. Any one of you notice the bug or the error that I have in this code? Okay, I let you spend 1 minute, yeah, to read this code, yeah. What's wrong with this code? What's wrong with this code? Okay, now I run for you, yeah. So I run, then after that I put S, yeah, small, yeah. Okay, so this is okay, yeah. When you add the X, yeah, then you have the problem, yeah. Go to the small, okay, and then here you run, and then after that M, yeah. Okay, go to the small again. Okay, then run again. For example, M like this, yeah. Okay, so we have a few error here. Okay, so the first is lower, yeah. But you lower, you compare with the capital, so it's never, yeah, never the same, yeah. Okay, so you run after that the medium, yeah, for example like this, yeah. Okay, then always come to this because this one is a capital, yeah. So here is lower. Okay, now I change to the S and then M and then L like this, yeah. Okay, now you run again, yeah. Then M, okay, still go to the this, yeah. Okay, let's remove this one first. Okay, yeah, so run after that the M. Then now we start having a problem, yeah. X, yeah, okay. Yeah, case sensitive. And the second is you see the difference, yeah. Here in the line 6, this is line 6, and this is line 8, this is line 10, and this is line 12 in the print command. What the difference? You see what the difference? Yes, Stephen, you notice this is wrong, yeah. So what happened is when you print equal like this, meaning you create a variable name a print, which is actually a reserved word, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to show you how the error happened. Okay, so I create a new cell, yeah. So print test like this. Okay, this one is okay. You use Python, run, yeah, test. Okay, now I put like this. Print equal to test. Okay, testing. Yeah, okay. Testing print variable. Okay, so I created this. Okay, this command is okay. Then now I run the same command. Yeah. Okay. Then you get an error. Yeah, string object is not callable. Why? Because this print and this print is different already. We already replace this print with this one. Okay, so now we have the problem. Yeah, because we use the print to store the this. Yeah, we use the print the reserved word as a variable. Okay, now how to fix this problem? Yeah, just now I close the notebook and open again. Yeah, but that's not the elegant way of fixing the problem. Yeah, to fix the problem, there is a Python command to delete variable, which is a del print. Okay, so del print is a delete the print variable. Okay, so after you del print, then after that you run this. Okay, then after that type again this. Okay, now it's back to normal. Yeah, so here is a to delete variable. If you mistakenly, just like what I did just now, assigning this into the reserved word the print, so now print become a variable, then you use this command del print. Okay, so let's go back to this. Yeah, because I have this one. Yeah, then I insert the code in the here. Yeah, up. Yeah, here. Yeah, del print. Okay, then after that we make a correction this. Okay, yeah. Then after that if a shirt is lower, yeah, and then after that or. This one is a small, yeah, like that, yeah. Okay, small, medium, large. Okay, then now you can run again. Then if you put the X, yeah, okay, oh, okay, I have not run this one, yeah, del print, run this first. Then run, and then X, yeah, then please input again. Yeah, this is correct. Yeah. Okay, this one is a can be simplified. We can copy this code, yeah, using the in, yeah, using the in. So I'm going to add the cell below, yeah. So this time we can simplify, yeah. If the sheet lower equal this one, yeah, you put the in. After that the s or a small like this, yeah. So this one is the same, yeah. Okay, then after that the in m, yeah, comma medium. Okay, and then in L, comma large. Okay, yeah. So let's test whether this works. Okay, if a shirt lower in, okay, let's check the Python, yeah. I sometimes mistakenly with the transact SQL. Remember in the transact SQL you have the in, yeah. Okay, Python in operator. Okay, yeah, used to check if the element is found in the iterable. Oh, okay, that's one is iterable is using the curly bracket, I think. Ah, okay, here. If the L is in, yeah, then we use the square bracket, yeah, not the normal bracket. Okay, Kimberly, sorry, I just show you in the waiting area, yeah. Okay, so I'll change this to this square bracket, yeah. Change to square bracket. Okay, run. Invalid syntax. Okay, one moment, yeah. in, yeah, lowercase, yeah. Should not be uppercase, but lowercase. You see, when I change to lowercase, then the color become blue. Okay, so run. Yep. So S, okay, small, yeah. Then small, good, yeah. So L, large, yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is another alternative of simplifying the code using the operator in. So small S, yeah, or yeah, you can see the differences. Yeah. Okay. Any question, guys? So we learn about the del. Yeah, del is to remove the variable. This one, yeah, to remove the variable. If you don't need that anymore, or if you make a mistake, yeah, then the reserved word already changed, yeah, to the something that accidentally you run the code. Yeah, so you can del. Yeah, del meaning it will remove the variable, then return back to the original definition. Okay, just now we use this string integer. Okay, yeah, input. Okay, basically do the casting. Yeah. Okay, create a calculator. Yeah, get the input of the two integer, and then you want to display. Okay, so you key in the number one, for example, 5. Number two is 7, like this. Yeah, 12. Yeah. But when you run again, you put the 5.3 and then 2.5 like this. Yeah, then you get an error because it is an integer. Okay, so to be secure, then you can try to use a float. Yeah, instead of the integer, like this. Yeah, float. Yeah, run. So 2.3 and then 3.5. Okay, 5.8. So a float is safer. Why? Because even we key in integer, the float also works. Yeah, 2. Yeah, plus 5. Okay, 7. Yeah, and then if you use the integer, then the input must not contains the decimal. But if you use a float, then you will be able to accept the number with the decimal. Okay, any questions? Yeah, now let's continue with the second notebook. Yeah, basic mathematical operator. Yeah, so you have the add, minus, multiply, division. It follow the rule. Yeah, multiply and division is calculated first. Okay, for example, I have okay, print, yeah, 2 plus 3 times 5 like this. Yeah, you guess what is the output of this? 2 plus 3 times 5. What is the output? 25 or 17? 17, yeah, okay. Correct, yeah, because this will be evaluated first. Yeah, follow the normal mathematics order, the sequence. Yeah, okay, yeah. So this is the example of the mathematical operations. And then million maker function. Yeah. So you want to make as a million. Enter non-decimal number you wish were bigger. Yeah. Return this times 1 million. Okay. Use a math operator to solve the set of the tasks below. Okay. So subtract 15 from 43. Print the result of the multiply 15 and 43. Okay. Dividing 156 by 12. Okay. Create a calculator function that multiply. Yeah, the input is integer. Def multiply, number one input, number two input. Yeah. Okay. I can create another calculator that receive the two number. Okay, so another way of writing this function is like this. Okay, so def multiply two numbers. Okay, then after that I put the parameter 1, yeah, number 1 comma number 2. Okay, like this, yeah. Okay, then after that I just print number 1 times number 2. Okay, that's the, so when you before you call the multiply, then you have to input, yeah, input, okay, number 1 equal to the input type number 1, type first number value. Okay, then after that number 2 is type the second number value. Okay, then you call this multiply two numbers. This time you pass the number 1 and number 2. Okay, the reason why, because I try to remove the input from the function. So function is as much as possible just doing the process. Yeah. Okay, or I can also put the yeah, like this maybe, yeah, multiply two numbers and then after that pass the number 1 number. But because this expected to be numeric, yeah, so you can convert this into the float, for example, yeah, float, and then this one also float. Okay, then what happened is we convert the text from the input into the numeric float and then pass into the function, and then the function will calculate. Okay, so run. So first number is 5 and then 10, so 50, yeah, become float, yeah, so there is a decimal. But when you get the decimal 3.5 and then times 2.3 or 2.4, yeah, so this is correct. Yeah. I also try to remove the print from the function. Yeah, so here I put the return. So instead of a print, I put the print here. Yeah. So I instead of return, I put the instead of print, I put the return. Yeah, return this one. Yeah, so I now I put this, yeah, print the output of the function, which is this. Yeah, print multiply two numbers, number 1, number 2. Okay, like this. Yeah. So now you can see the my function is a very simple. Yeah, they do the calculation and return the result. Yeah? And I don't do the input here. I don't do the print here. I separate, take out the print and also the input. Yeah, user input, asking the user input into the outside of the function. Yeah. So 4.2 times 5.5. Okay. Yeah. So this is the example. Okay. Let's continue. Improve the multiplying calculator function using the return. Yeah, okay. So this to use the return. Create improve multiply function and test with the division. Yeah, no argument and an invalid operator. X3, Y4, calculation X times Y. Yeah, print calculation. Okay, so you can try to def calculate like this, or just put a new cell. Okay, def improve calculate improve multiply. Okay, so test with the slash, no argument and invalid operator dollar. Okay, so like this, return. Okay, so I think the purpose is to improve this one. Okay, I copy this one first. You want to improve, so improve multiply. Call this. Okay, then let's run. Okay, number one is 5 and then 3. Okay, you got a 15. But how if the input is $5 and then after that 3 at least, so you got an error. Okay, so create the improve multiply function and test with the slash no argument and invalid operator. Okay, so invalid operator is we're going to learn about this error handling in the tomorrow topics. So we just keep this. Okay. So we can test by using the try and catch. So if there is some error, then we will be able to treat the error, handling the error, not the crash like this. Okay, review and run the fix. Student name, input the enter name, capitalize. If the student name start with the F, congratulations, name start with the F. Okay, let's run. Ryan. Okay. So Ryan, please wait for student with name starting with. Okay, this is the go to this. Oh no, excuse me, guys. Okay, so start again. Then after that, for example, start with the F, Fina, Okay, so start with F is go to this, and then Gina. Okay, Gina, G, okay, go to that one. So I think that's the these topics, the if else, the multiple branch, and then also the nested if, and then casting, converting from the input to the numeric, either float or integer. After that, the basic mathematical mathematic operator. Okay, let's close this. Then we move to the next topics. So just now we learn additional command, which is the del, to delete the variable. Okay, so 6. Okay. So we learn about the nested conditional. Okay, I already have explained to you. Yeah, if else. Yeah. Okay, this one was explained earlier. So like simplify. Sorry. Click the input before typing. Yeah. Okay. C for cheese, V for the veggie. Yeah? Then after that, if the input is C, then they will ask you again. Yeah. Just like okay, maybe just run. Yeah. If the input is C or V, yeah, C, then it will ask to the second if, yeah. And then C for shader, and then the rest is okay. Then it go to here. Yeah. But when you run, then V, yeah, it will go to this veggie special. This nested, yeah. Okay, handling some invalid input and else if statement. If the sandwich C, yeah, okay, it is ask you to choose, yeah, after you run after you can input the C or V, then it will ask you to enter C or M, but maybe the user select the other, not the C and M. Yeah? So for example O like this, yeah, so it must go to this sorry, we don't have, yeah. Okay, hello, yeah, do you want to say hello, yes or no? Yeah, if yes, then do you want to say a full hello, yes or no? Okay, yes, okay, and then no, then go to this, yeah. So this is nested, yeah. If you users reply yes, then it will be the second question. Do you want to say the full hello, yes or no? Okay, okay. And then here is if and then else, yeah. So if the bird the guest is not in the bus, you have this input uh, user to type the bird name, and then this is the existing options, yeah, pigeon, crow, or eagle. Okay, let's run. Yeah, if the input is in one of these three, for example, crow, yeah, then it will first try. Yeah, but if I make a mistake, yeah, for example, crane, yeah, like this, then try again. Yeah, go to the try again. Yeah, not in the birds. Yeah, so eagle. Now second try, correct. Yeah, but if I keep uh, and then after that wrong, yeah, then try again the other bird name, yeah, that not here, pelican for example. Okay, so still not the same, yeah, and then I put the penguin. Okay, you are out of try because I already tried 3 times, yeah? But if I try crane and then a pelican, and this time I type correct crow, yeah, then it go to here. Okay, so a few example of the nested if else, yeah? Okay, print formatting with the escape sequence. Yeah, escape sequence is last time you remember you have the single quote, double quote. Yeah, if you would like to print the single quote, you can use the escape. Yeah, with the single quote. For example, tab. Yeah, slash backslash t backslash n. Let's see here. I open the new notebook. Yeah, then Python 3. Okay, so for example, I print. Okay, yeah. So this is the one word, yeah. Then after that, print Ryan, and then after that, okay, yeah. Then also I can put the print, and then Ryan. Okay, after that, \n, and then like this, yeah. So this is the new line, yeah. Let's try. Oh, sorry. I think I have to put together here. Let's try. Yeah, you see here. This \n is a new line, yeah. It's separating the. Okay, then if you want to create a tab, so I can also print like this. This is a T, yeah. Okay, and if I want to like this, yeah, single quote, yeah. Okay, so that's a single quote. Okay, what other escape character you can see here? Like for example, oh, this one is done. This one, yeah. So double backslash is to type the slash, single quote, double quote, yeah, TN. Okay. So let's. What happen if I print like this, and also like this? Yeah. So run. Okay. Yeah. So single quote, double quote, and then the double backslash, and you have the slash. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so if you want to separate with the tabular, yeah, you use the \t. Yeah. Okay, let's see here what happened. Quote in quote. Yeah. So you use double quote. Alternatively, I can also put the same like this. Yeah. I can also put like this. Yeah. That's the same. So different way of doing this. I don't need to put the escape. Yeah. This is also the same. You see here. Okay, and then I have said save your notebook, so let's do it. Yeah, okay. Actually, this one is not necessary because we close with a double quote. Yeah, okay. Let me copy, and then after that put the output in the same format. Yeah, but without this. Yeah. I have said, yeah, save your notebook. Okay. This time we need to have this escape. Yeah, because the opening and the closing is a double quote, and we want to include the double quote as well. Yeah, but this single quote is not necessary. Okay, yeah, because it's closer in the here. Yeah, let's run. You see the same. Yeah. Okay, but to be safe, you can put the backslash. Yeah, every time you want to print the single quote or double quote, you can put in the backslash, except for the double quote and single double quote for the opening and the closing. You don't need to you cannot put the backslash, yeah? But any part of your text you want to print to include the double quote or single quote, you use the backslash if it is in the middle. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, format using the backslash escape sequences. Yeah. So print a warning, or you want to print something like this. Yeah, warning. Yeah. So how? Yeah, print. So actually very simple. Yeah, you just put this in the single quote. Yeah, I can do like this. Like this. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, because when I put the single quote as opening and closing, yeah, this will be treated as a text. Yeah. Print output, that's exactly with the quote, what is that? Yeah, okay. So you want to display what is that? Okay. So I copy here. Then after that, print. Okay, time is 10:37. So if it's close at 10:40, yeah, then that's all for today. Yeah, we continue again next tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. So I just put like this. Okay, but the problem is I have this single quote in the middle. Yeah. So that's error. So that's the reason why I put the backslash like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you know the trick. Yeah. So opening and closing must be different from the code. And if you have something in the middle, then you put the backslash. Okay, you want to print this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so using the tab. Yeah, tab. So print. After that, 1. Okay, then a backslash t, and then 2, and then a backslash t, then 3. Okay, and then one more line, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, so yep, here, run. Okay, so the output is like this. Pre-word functions. Yeah, so get input using directions, enter the word that start with the pre, and then call the pre-word with the input string. If the value is false, then a print. Yeah, okay. So this is a function that has a single string parameter, checks the single word starting with the pre. Okay, so def, yeah, pre-word. Okay, I don't think I have time to complete this because only left 1 minute. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Then after that, input. Okay, too rush. Yeah. Okay, never mind. So I give you this two last tasks as the homework for you. Yeah. Let's see the recording. How many more minutes? Yeah. Oh, okay. We still have 2 more minutes. Yeah. Okay, can. So check if the word is alpha. Yeah, def a free word, and then after that the input. So word. Yeah. So word equal to input. Yes, everyone, happy weekend. See you tomorrow again. Yeah, but let me continue on the last minute. Type a word. Okay. So here, and then after that, input that word. Okay. Then you check. Yeah, if word dot is alpha, like this. Yeah. Then after that, colon. Yeah. Then after that, return true. Yeah. And then return false. Yeah. Then you print. Yeah. Print start with the pre. Okay, and then after that you okay, like this. Yeah, okay, and then else print message spelling is a valid pre-word. Print message spelling is a valid, is a false. Okay, and print message spelling not. Okay, else. Okay, not start with the pre. Okay, yeah, so run. Okay, call. Yeah, call pre-word. Yeah, okay, you call. So input the preschool, for example. Okay, start with the pre. Yeah, and then you type the school only. Okay. Eh? uh, what is alpha? Oh, okay. If begin with yeah. If word start with yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then after that, this one else. try again. Okay, so run. Else colon. Don't forget the colon. Okay, preschool. Okay, start with the pre, correct. Yeah. Then school. Okay, not start with the pre. Okay, so that's the topic 6, which is covering the nested if and then a print formatting with the escape sequences. Yeah, so slash quote, single quote, double backslash, and then slash t tab, yeah, and then backslash n for the new line. Okay, everyone, that's all, and have a good weekend. Thank you. Tomorrow we just start at the 9 o'clock, yeah, to save 5 minutes. You don't have to log on at the 8:55. So I will start at the 9 o'clock. Okay, thanks and bye. Have a good weekend.